Good morning, Mr. Hart. We have a tour for you today.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Mr. Har. I teach welding here at the ISIP Career Center. In our welding program, we go over all of the 4 fundamental welding processes: shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and oxys fuel acetylene. Also in our program, we offer certifications in shielded metal arc welding in the vertical and the overhead position. For our students to be successful in this program, you are required to bring in a couple different things: high top leather boots, jeans, and a long sleeve shirt. We provide every other PPE for the students, and we have lockers to lock up the PPE. If you have a creative side and like to work with your hands, this program might be good for you. So please come into my room and we can see what goes on in the welding shop. Dave is actually working on gas tungsten arc welding now. This process is great for the aerospace industry and for hard to weld metals. Dave is practicing his beads right now, trying to get them consistent. This will allow him to work in the field and be able to weld on things like aerospace work and any type of hard to weld metals. This is a AM welding student, and he is actually working on a project right now for the holiday season.
Yeah, I made snowmen for the holidays.
Michael is doing a custom project for a remote stand for his house. Michael is using the 7024 rod in the shielded metal arc welding position. This is a sample of a certification that a student has done in the vertical up position. The student has filled up the entire plate. What will happen now is they will cut out samples of the test piece and take it to a lab, and at that point the lab will put it into a press, hydraulic press, and test the weld. If the weld happens to break or crack, it does not pass. And if it does not break or crack, it passes. The weight that it will be tested under is 10 tons. This is an example of a certification plate that passed. If you notice, there is no crack. This is a certification sample that did not pass. As you can notice, it is cracked. If a student can pass the certification, they are qualified for a limited thickness for that position. That allows the student to enter into major unions that are in New York City and Long Island area. Thank you for coming in to visit the welding program. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the guidance counselor and we can answer them. Have a great day.